Recording.
All right, so I just came off of US 28 South, and now I'm on a road called WarWoman. WarWoman runs from US 28 to Clayton, Georgia. Clayton, Georgia, WarWoman. If you're looking for a motorcycle ride, you need to hit this road. You listen to me. WarWoman. Google it. Look at it on a map. I'm not going to go flying through here, but you can already tell this is a good road, right? I was going to ride a monster today, but it was cold. This is a fun road on a sport bike. This is a fun road on any bike. Maybe not so much on a Harley. No roads are fun on a Harley. But even the flatbed truck that was in front of me, he's moving on this road. There he is. There he is. The dump truck, little dump truck. Usually this road has nobody on it. And if you've done that Tail of the Dragon road, you might as well do this road too. This road is fun, 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 fun. This guy's got somewhere to be. He's done this road once or twice. Back here it just smells like DEF fluid being burned off. I'm gonna let him go. We'll catch him again. Look at this little pond here. How would you like to own that piece of property? It's for sale. Look at that. If that's not a dream home, if that's not your dream home, your dreams suck. Guy's making pretty good time in that dump truck. Look how pretty it is in here. The leaves are changing. The dump truck's blowing all the leaves off the road for us. There's a restaurant near where this road dumps out. It's called the Dillard House. If you're here riding with the group, you want to do Dillard House with a group of 4 or more. You want to go to the Dillard House and have dinner. Dillard House is sort of like a smorgasbord buffet, except they bring the plates to your table, family style. And it's down-home southern comfort food, and it is delicious. It's good. Again, that's called the Dillard House. It's in Dillard, Georgia. It's just where this road comes out on 441. It's just a few miles north. We're going to go home on US 76, but if you were to go north on 441 into Dillard, Georgia, you'd find it. I'll put the name of the restaurant, if I remember, I'll put the name of the restaurant in the comments sections. If I don't remember, then one of y'all put it in the comments. Another couple weeks, all the kudzu will be dead again for the season.
Recording.
As a motorcycle rider or a sports car enthusiast, how would you not want to ride this road? There are so many good roads like this in North Georgia. People only want to go to Tail of the Dragon. I don't get it. Go to the Tail of the Dragon and get their picture taken. I just don't get it. I'm ready for lunch. I was ready for lunch when we pulled into Franklin. I was more ready for lunch when we pulled into Highlands. I might have to stop and get lunch in Clayton. Now this guy's just blowing everything onto the road. Guy's got some bees out there. Yeah, if we can get around this joker, the road's gonna be a lot cleaner. It is not safe to blow all that crap into the road. Guy's got some nice toys back in there. I was going to spend a day on my skid steer today. But I decided it would be more fun if I did a YouTube video for you folks. What I should do is an inbred version of these First Amendment audits that you see all the time. I can see all kinds of rights infringements happening in the mountains of North Georgia and North Carolina. Alright, you go, guy. You go, I'll catch you later. And just remember, I told you so. The way to tell how wealthy you are is by how many junk cars you got out in the front yard. This area has been pretty nice. I'm thinking some of the people along here must actually have money. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. That's some green grass. Alright, we're back in another twisty section. In case you guys were getting bored with the straight roads. That poor dump truck, he's going to get hung up by a little SUV. even making good time. He was making good time until he gets behind the locals. That old man in the Jeep up there is probably not a local. He's probably from Florida. Alright, we're almost to Franklin. I'm going to go ahead and shut this video down. We're about a mile from Franklin. It says twisty, but there's not much twisty roads left. You've seen the best of it. So, your next venture to North Georgia, North Carolina, make sure you check out US 28 south of Franklin, North Carolina. And make sure you hit WarWoman. Maybe if I don't get, you know, if I feel like getting out there and riding some more, I might take you down into Georgia more. I typically don't ride Georgia roads because their speeding laws are a little bit stricter than most places. And I don't like getting speeding tickets. And Georgia does like to have their law enforcement write tickets as often as they can. So we're in Clayton city limits right now. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.